Hello, welcome to Apti for Jobs lecture series. Today we will study divisibility or remainder rules. If anyone need step-by-step guidance, you can contact this number class 9, 10, 11, 12, math and physics batch has been started. 2 language modes are available: Bengali and English. Today our topic is divisibility or remainder rules. Let us find divisibility of power of 2. Power of 2 means 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 or 2 square, 2 to the power 3 or 2 cube, 2 to the power 4 and so on. To find the divisibility of 2 to the power 1, check last digit whether it is divisible by 2 or not. To find the divisibility of 2 square, check last 2 digit whether it is divisible by 2 square or not. To find the divisibility of 2 to the power 3 or 2 cube, check last 3 digit whether it is divisible by 2 to the power 3 or not. For 2 to the power 4, check last 4 digit whether it is divisible by 2 to the power 4 or not. In case of 2 to the power n, check last nth digit whether it is divisible by 2 to the power n or not. Let us take a random example: 1, 2, 5, 6, 4, 6. Here 6 is 6, 4, 6, 4. Here 4 is divisible by 2, so the number is divisible by 2. Here 64, last 2 digit, is divisible by 2 to the power 2, so the number is also divisible by 2 to the power 2 also. Check last 3 digit. 464 is divisible by 2 to the power 3, so the number is also divisible by 2 to the power 3. Let us take another example. Find the remainder when 2356 into 2437 into 7646 is divided by 4. Find the remainder. Here you should apply the shortcut trick. The trick is find each of these components remainder and multiply them. The 2356, check last 2 digit to find the 4 means 2 square. To find the divisibility of 2 square, check last 2 digit 56 divided by 2 and the remainder is 0. 2437, last 2 digit 37 divided by 2, remainder is 1. 7646, last 2 digit 46 divided by 2 and the remainder is 2 and multiply them, and it is the remainder of the whole number, then this big number. In the examination, if you multiply it, then divide it by 4 and then find the remainder, you can attempt only this question and the other questions would be left. Let us look at another example. Find the remainder of 8078 plus 15486 plus 15725 when this number is divided by 8. Find the remainder. Here we can apply the same trick as previous. Each component we divide by 8 and find its remainder. The 8078 divided by 8, we can only divide last 3 digit with 8 and find remainder is 6. Last 3 digit 486 divide by 8 and the remainder is 6. Last 3 digit divided by 8 and the remainder is 5, and then add them. The answer is 17. Now 17 is greater than 8. The remainder 17 cannot greater than 8. So we will divide and find the remainder. 8 is divided by 17 and remainder is 1. So the remainder is 1. Now we will learn the divisibility rule of power of 5. 5, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4. Now check the divisibility of 5. Check last digit of any number. Check last digit of any number. If the number is, the last digit of the number is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. Check last 2 digit. Check last 2 digit. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 5 square, then the number is divisible by 5 square. Or if last 2 digit is 0, 20, if the last 2 digit is 20, then the number is also divisible by 5 square. Check last 3 digit. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 5 cube, then the number is also divisible by 5 cube. And if the last 3 digit is 30, if the last 3 digit is 30, then the number is also divisible by 5 cube. Let us check the divisibility rule of 3. To find any number, whether it is divisible by 3 or not, let us first find the sum of digit. If the sum of digit is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Let us take an example. 1, 2, 3. The sum of all digit is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 6 is divided by 3 and it is divisible by 3. So 1 to 3, the number 1 to 3 also divisible by 3. Let us learn the divisibility rule of 9. To find a number, whether it is divisible by 9 or not, we have to first find the sum of digit. If the sum of digit is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Take an example. 639. The number 639, 639. The sum of digit is 6 plus 3 plus 9. It is equal to 18. Here 18 is divisible by 9. So the 639 is also divisible by 9. Look at this question. Find the remainder when 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 3 is divided by 3. Find the remainder when this number is divided by 3. Here we should apply the shortcut trick. The shortcut trick is find the sum of digit of this number. Find the sum of digit of this number. The sum of digit of this number is 41 and take the remainder. And the remainder is 2. This is the answer. So you have to apply the shortcut trick to save your time in exam. Let us find a divisibility rule of a composite number. Take a composite number 6. Find the divisibility rule of 6. Let's break 6 into two components. 2 into 3. The 6 can be break into 2 into 3. If any number can be divisible by 2 and if a number is divisible by 3 also, the number will be also divisible by 6. If a number divisible by 2 and 3, the number will be also divisible by 6. Take another composite number 12. Break into two parts, 4 into 3. If any number divisible by 4 and 3, then it will also divisible by 12. This is the rule of any composite numbers divisibility. In the next lecture, we will find the divisibility rule of 7 and divisibility rule of 11. Then we will solve some problems upon divisibility rule and remainder theorem.